안녕하세요. Leonim, thank you for this melty. Samida. Leonim, 감사합니다. Bye bye.
안녕하세요. We are here at the study room before the start of our class. We gonna eat first our fruit. Kim 사랑님 감사합니다.
Lami? Yummy? What about you, Jisril? Eat your food. Eat your apple. Okay, right after you finish it, and we're going to start our class na ha. We're just wait your classmates arrive.
Kim 사랑님 감사합니다. Bye.
안녕하세요, Uncle Yongtaknim and Uncle Songhangyonim and we Parangnim. Thank you for the groceries and food that you give. So this is so we cook meatballs and chicken, fried chicken and fried pork, and the fruits that you buy. Once again, Yongtaknim, we Parangnim and Songhangyonim 감사합니다. Ngaon na ta.
Kalot dong bisdi.
Ay, laing kuan pa ko na.
감사합니다.
Ikaw na lang. Once again, 감사합니다, Uncle Yongtaknim and we Parangnim and Songhangyonim.
Unsa na yung subject? Math? Unsa niyang ibuhat? What are you doing?
Times.
Multiplication?
Multiplication errors.
Okay.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
So, dili sa mo manguli until mahuman na ninyo. Inyo na i-comply. Okay.
May dako dito nga konti niya.
Hamon.
Dito.
Zach, are you helping them?
Yes.
Katleya, and same mo grade, no? Ni Milay? Grade 4. Okay. So, same mo project.
Oh, mana
Are you done na? Katleya? And Milay na lang. So, you help Milay. Why are you late doing your project? Kado sa ang deadline, Ana?
Grabe.
Tomorrow ang deadline. Grabe, buhat man siya last day. Very good, Katleya. Pass the project kuan. Early. Then, takuan. Ha?
Okay, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher Berlinda.
We have here printed notes. And this is reading comprehension. Then read and text and answer the questions. Okay? Sabton ang answer. Sabot, sabdaw ko rin. Barbie?
Yes.
Wow. Start. Red sa the jungle. Diretso mo og answer. The jungle. Tick-tock.
Annyeonghaseyo, little one.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, the three of you will read the story. Start.
It was summertime. The children are excited to visit their grandparents and the farm. The children had a sleepless night. They were imagining of the wonderful things they do in the farm. They play and eat in a peaceful.
Unsa ni?
Peaceful. Peaceful.
Dili pace. Peaceful.
Peaceful. Middle near the lake. They sometimes catch fish with the help of Grandpa and their cousin.
Okay, unsa ni cousins? Okay, mag-gagaw.
They sometimes swim in the lake with their cousins. Their cousins were helpful to make things easy for them. In the afternoon, they were so eager to help and feeding Grandpa's animals while Grandma is watchful